what's up? Um, Welcome to another YouTube video. Saint Charts here again, and okay, let me just delete this so there's no confusion. So guess what? This is going to be the third trade in the last 1 week. Actually, should have posted this yesterday. Yeah. Um, but this is going to be the third trade this week to hit full TP. This was one of the biggest trade ideas, trade setup that I had. So you can see US dollar Swiss franc. This was the beginning of the trade idea from February 6th, and wasn't until April 9. That was literally yesterday that this trade hit full TP. Okay, so basically the whole setup and idea started from here after I got my confirmation and entry pattern. Okay, that's the first rule. So I had to wait to get my confirmation and entry pattern here, waited for another entry signal to enter here, and just added a third trade, which was very high risk, by the way, but yeah, at this point for TP2 I had already moved stop loss to break even, so yeah. And price respected. This is really high risk trade, but yeah, it was a third trade. When I enter trades in between or in the middle of my setup, I know they're high risk, so yeah, I'm okay with that kind of risk. Yeah. So and just went on to hit full TP. So right now I'm just waiting for a strong weekly bearish candle close below this range, okay, to see if the market will continue to go down or not. So and today is Thursday, and as you can already see, it's looking like we might have that. So I guess you can already see what happened here basically. So yeah, that's just about it. I'll keep you posted on this, but I think the other trade that we're mentioning here is the updates on the British pound, Japanese yen. So this is where we're at currently. You can see TP2 hit yesterday also, and that means break even. Stop loss has been moved to break even here. Okay, so basically I'm still in this trade. Okay, so stop loss has been moved to break even. So yeah, just waiting to see how that goes. Whatever it is, I was thinking the market was going to give me a pattern to enter for a second trade here, but still hasn't given me anything, so I'll just wait. Okay, that's just about it. I think those are the two trades that are still left. I posted an update on this already, and we're just watching to see what happens from here. Just waiting to see for more patterns or anything. But so far, I do not have any signal from this trade. There's no signal to enter or do anything yet. So I'm just watching. Same as this. Honestly, I'm just watching Euro USD. You can see this is what I'm looking at on the higher time frame. So but it's looking very bullish at the moment. So no reversal pattern, nothing yet. So I'm just waiting, sitting on my hands basically. Same thing here. Yeah, so actually I said it. So I'm not going to jump into this because basically didn't give me any pattern, nothing. I was tempted. If you watch my last video, I said it. I was tempted to see if this was something, but nah. To be honest, it's nothing. It is absolutely nothing. At least from what I can see, it's not even. It doesn't fit my pattern in any way. So I'll just keep waiting. Sorry, just 1 second. So just to check the Australian dollar, USD. So let's see what happens. Oops. Okay. Okay, so here it is. So this is AED USD. This is AED USD. You can see what it's doing. So I'll just wait. I'll just be patient with this and see where it leads me to. This is where we're at. So nothing yet. Okay. Same thing. Basically, it's just a game of patience right now. So you can see what I had for this, right? It's not even looking bearish at all right now. So I have this level up there, seeing if the market will break above it and seeing exactly what the market is going to do around this level before I make any decision on this pair. Okay, so also watching this, as you can see, I had my predictions, something around this, projections looking like this initially, but the market will not always like go exactly how you want it to. But yeah, I'm just watching. I'm watching this. So let's see what exactly happens. Okay, I think that's just about it. For my updates, still watching to see exactly what's going to happen, and I'll keep you posted. Seeing Charles.